na 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 na. Life is life, na 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 na. When we all give the power, we all give the best. Every minute after an hour, don't think about the rest. Then we all give the power, we all take the best. And everyone gives everything in every song. Everybody sings, life is life. Hello guys, I'm Vasco from UkuleleCheats.com, and today we're making Life is Live by OPUS. I'll show you how to play the song in the original key, but if that way is not matching your voice, you can go to UkuleleCheats.com and you can change the key, and maybe that way it will be easier for you to sing it. I don't know, give it a try. So throughout the song we need 6 different chords. Let me come a little bit closer to show them to you. So we need the chord of A minor, then we need the chord of D minor, then we need the chord of G suspended, which I'm grabbing like G and also putting my pinky. And I'm grabbing it like this because after that I'm removing my pinky and we need the G. Okay? So G suspended to G. Also we need the chord of F. And finally the chord of C. Okay, so we have 3 different parts. The first one is the intro, and throughout the whole song I'm doing something like a reggae rhythm. On the first time I'm doing just a little down on the upper string only, and then I'm hitting it all the strings like this. On the off beat we are doing down, so like this. Alright, and we have 3 parts. The first one is the chorus. Life is life, na 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 na. Life is life, na 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 na. Wabba-da-pop-pop, life. Pretty much you're repeating this thing. The second one is the verse, which is when we all give the power, we all give the best. Every minute after an hour, don't think about the rest. You're repeating this thing 3 times, and on the 4th time you're going on, and everyone gives everything, and 2 times F, 2 times G, and you're going to life is life, na 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 na. Life is life. So the first chorus is the intro, and after the second chorus we have this other part, which is pretty much the same as the chorus, but instead of A minor to D minor you have C to F, and again G suspended to G. So life is life when we all give the power. Life is life, come on, stand up and dance, yeah. And that's all the parts that you need to know. Now let's do the play along. If it's too fast for you, use this YouTube feature to slow down the video. If you're a patron, you have the PDF for the background ukulele that you'll be hearing. If you want to, there will be a link in the description, you can get it. And let's see what we'll do in the play along. That was my ukulele tutorial for Life is Life by OPUS. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you really soon. Bye bye.